Listen and practice. The boy who knew no fear. Part 1. Once there was a father. He had 2 sons. The older son, Hugh, was clever and could do everything, but the younger son, Anders, was stupid and understood nothing. When the father needed help, the older son always helped him, and the younger son did nothing. But sometimes, the father asked Hugh to go somewhere late at night, and the son was afraid and said, "Oh no, father, I'm afraid. I can't go out in the night. It makes me shudder." And when their father told scary stories, Hugh said, "Oh, it makes me shudder." Anders sat and listened, but he did not understand. He is always saying, "It makes me shudder, it makes me shudder." It does not make me shudder. I do not understand what that means. One day, the father said to Anders, "Listen to me. You are growing up. You are big and strong. You must learn something and get a job. Look at your brother. He works hard while you sit and do nothing." "Actually, father," he said, "I do want to learn something. I want to learn how to shudder. I don't understand it." Hugh laughed and said, "God, what a stupid brother I have. He will never do anything good." The father said, "You can easily learn how to shudder, but you will not find a job like that." A few days later, a priest came to visit the house. The father told him about the problem with Anders. When I asked him what job he wanted to do, he said he wanted to learn to shudder. "He wants to learn how to shudder," said the priest. "Well, he can learn it from me. He can come and live with me, and I will teach him how to shudder." So Anders went to live in the priest's house. The priest taught him to ring the bell in the church, and every day he rang it. After a few days, the priest woke up in the night and told Anders to go and ring the bell. "You will soon learn to shudder," he thought, and went up to the bell before Anders. The boy wanted to ring the bell, but then he saw a man wearing white. The man was standing at the top of the stairs,